Too small? Too big? Which fridge is the right for you? The secret, it all depends on how many people you're feeding at home. For 1 to 2 people, a refrigerator with 1.8 to 4 cubic feet is usually enough for your daily essentials. For 3 to 4 people, look for around 6 to 8 cubic feet to comfortably store food and drinks. Have a bigger household? A 9 to 14 cubic foot refrigerator gives you more room for food storage. For household with 6 or more people, go for 15 cubic feet or larger to avoid running out of storage space. And don't forget, measure your kitchen space before buying. Ready to find your perfect fridge? Visit Abenson and choose the right size for your home.